We're here at Judson and Colton in Redlands. And a pretty serious car accident here. The fire department and them are coming down this way. I forgot my mask in my car. I do have one, I just forgot it. But that's the fire department coming now. So this car was hit from the side and the white car smashed into it. They still have the people in the car. The driver's still in the car. Looks like the driver might have whiplash or something because they're just sitting back. But it's going to be engine 261, truck 261. So truck 261 out of Redlands. Another truck coming, another fire engine. We've got two fire engines. So it's a pretty bad accident. Is there a fire hydrant? I thought this was where the lady hit the fire hydrant, but I don't see one here. So I don't see the police on scene. So the JB Hunt, of course, pulled over and assisted. But I'm not going to film inside the car because she's got enough problems. I just want to try to get the bottom of the car. Yeah, it looks like she might have some neck pain. Is there a driver in this car too? Yeah, both drivers are still in the car because they're still in this one too. So this just happened. We just rolled up on it. A couple motorcycle cops coming up. So we just rolled up on this before anybody was here.
Just push it forward. Yeah.
So I was trying to see what that is. Looks like a Harley. I know Rialto uses BMWs. I can't see what they're riding though. Let's see. It doesn't say. Oh yeah, Harley. Does that say Harley Davidson? No, it's just something I'm not sure. Yeah, that's a HD, huh? So I guess they do have Harley Davidsons here. Rialto uses BMWs. So all right, I could get paid to ride a Harley. That works for me. Yeah, I thought those were Harley Davidsons. But you can never tell. I mean, yeah, they look exactly like a Harley Davidson, but then so does, well, it was years ago, a guy I knew had a Yamaha Velaro, which looked exactly like a Harley, but it wasn't. It was a Yamaha. So, yeah, they got the cops are out here on Harleys. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out. There's no more reason for me to stay. But there you go.